Hey, it's Mr. Peace. I'm here at Steinbeck Elementary School in Fresno, California, home of the Sharks, and I'm in shark waters right now, right? But had two assemblies here this morning in the cafeteria, the room right behind me. The focus was on bullying, look at the heart first. And it really tied into their school theme, what they have here, FINS, right? It says focused, independent, nice, safe. And under the nice column, they have different phrases like kind to others, be respectful, encourage others. And that's our goal, right? Is that we're always trying to do those types of things for everyone around us, right? To treat them like we treat our best friend. And so we talk about all of that love starting in our hearts. Our heart's as big as our fist. If we can let love fully enter into here, then we can turn this into this, right? Peace sign. One finger ourself, the other for someone that we're trying to lift up higher than ourselves by how we choose to treat that person. Hopefully with kindness, hopefully with love. One student said, Mr. Peace, it stands for two because one finger is B, the other is nice, right? So that was really cool just to hear that from some of the students, and that they really got the feedback today that said, hey, something really did touch their heart. The other part of what we talked about too is that, and there were some tears in some of the assemblies from both staff and students, and I always say tears are the sweat of our strength, right? The start of healing and feeling again. So I'm always happy to see that, to see the students and adults, they have the courage to step into those emotions, right? Because now we're starting to move past some of that pain in our heart. Because we talk about the biggest reason of why bullying happens, and that's because hurt people hurt people. A lot of times we push that hurt onto someone else by how we treat them poorly, right? But we can turn that hurt, if we let that kindness, that empathy, that compassion fully enter our heart, we can turn hurt people who hurt people into healed people who heal people. And so that was some of the stories that I got to work through after the assembly. The students gave me hugs that just wanted to share their heart with me. So Mr. Peace really touched my heart. I said, if that happened, if that's the case, that means you have a big heart. And now it's up to you to go share that gift by how you choose to treat yourself and others going forward. So really encouraged to see a lot of the people that, approached me. Some wrote me thank you letters too, and just said, even in under an hour's time, Mr. Peace, you really had that impact on me. You had that effect. And if I can touch someone's heart, right? This guy from Michigan, thousands of miles away in under an hour. Think about the difference we can make in each other's lives over an entire school year. If we just keep our hearts open to that love, open to that kindness, open to that peace. This also means that on top of seeing someone for the heart first, we have to see someone for this too, right? All of us with the lines on our hand have the letter M. We have at least one on each hand. I trace one of mine here. Sometimes a faint line connects it. And this M stands for miracle, like the front of my shirt, right? Upside down W for worthy means we're all beautiful miracles, worthy of love to both give it and receive it. And we have to believe this, right? We have to buy into this, because once we do, we can go be that light to someone else's heart, help them see the beauty in them, right? How beautiful of a person they are, and try to raise them up even higher than ourselves. In their lunchroom, they have a sign that says, we rise by lifting others. And it's so true, right? That we do feel that kindness in our hearts. And once we get to share it, that kindness just grows inside of us, but it also starts to touch other lives around us. And maybe leave a lasting mark on someone's heart that can last forever. So again, just a beautiful morning, early afternoon with some of the students, getting to speak to them one-on-one, and hope to be back again in the future to keep talking on another very important theme like we had for today, looking at someone's heart first, right? Overcoming bullying and overcoming some of that pain and hurt, to know that we have that ability to make a difference even at a young age. Have a great rest of the school year. Hope to see you again soon. Until then though, and as always, make sure to hit the subscribe button you'll see pop up on the screen. Feel free to also check out this playlist for some additional motivation. You can also visit my website by clicking on the peace sign symbol on your phone, tablet, wherever you're watching this video, to track my journey across this country as I continue to heal America's heart, one school at a time. Peace.